Yo, what's up, YouTube? Hope you guys having a blessed day. On the way to Boo Boo Shop right now, and then from there roll out to a car meet. So I'll show you guys in a few what the vibes are in the car meet. So see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, we're about to head out. We're just chilling for like 20-30 minutes. We got what we got going on. We got a Mustang Celine, the new GR Toyota. We got an EP3 K-Swap, Rotary, Acura, BMW, Honda, of course. What you know about that right there? For all my Dominican people, you know. All love, all love. Hell yeah, bro, you already know.
Hey, man, you know we outside, man.
It's my guy right here, man.
It's how we do it out here, man. You feel me? You see the cars, man.
You know, flexing. Oh yeah, Blanco.
Hey, man, don't mind this fit, man. It's
Nah.
on air, you feel me? It's on air.
Nah, that's stock height. It's on bags. Just kidding.
Never to do again. What? They drove me home.
This thing look crazy.